What's going on, everybody? I have never done a unboxing video before, and I just figured I'd give it a shot. Got a bunch of stuff that's been rolling in for the Rogue Glide project, so I figured I would get maybe a nice assortment of different knives and open up some boxes. Let's check it out. Pretty sharp. Oh my god. That thing slices right through. Ooh. Fork Gators. So I'm changing the front end on the bike. I'm doing a GP suspension front cartridge along with got the lower fork legs. Got these powder coated. Nice glossy black so that the sliders are black on the bike instead of the machine finish they come from the factory with. So with that, I want to try something different. I think I saw a bike on Instagram that had Fork Gators on there. Either that or they were the billet ones that look like this. So I was like, for 17 bucks, I'll try it out. I'll run those instead of running the cattle bells, which are these thingies. And this mail call has turned into a powder coat reveal too. Not try that at home. Probably put a scratch right through your powder coat. I'm a trained professional. That's the cattle bells. Normally these things are on the bike. So I'm going to replace those with these. I might have to cut them. We'll see. That'd be good. Like I said, if I don't like it, maybe 17 bucks. Try something different. Try to do something new. So I'm very excited to get that front end together with the GP suspension kit because it's going to have preload, rebound, and compression adjustment all from the tops of the suspension. I think it's like the only cartridge kit you can buy that does that. Pretty rad. Fork Gators. Let's see what else we got. Take this one. Back in there. We'll pull out. Look at this little guy. My buddy gave me this. One of my friends that rides. He's like, I'm never going to use it. I'm like, oh, that thing's pretty cool. I want to check it out. Pretty wicked little blade. Oh, yeah. S&S oil filter. Sweet. Just decided to change the oil filter up. Usually I use a Harley one, but I think this was like cheaper, and they say it's does like more filtering or whatever. It says it's better, so we'll see. Also, I got all this stuff on eBay, super cheap because of the whole no tax and free shipping thing. So like everything came from the Bay. Big on that. And they give you like eBay bucks too. You get like 0.25% or something from buying from eBay. You get like 32 cents when you spend like $3 million or something. So let's get another knife. CRKT. One of my favorite little blades. How cool is that thing? Let's see what this is. From Al Cycle Parts in Rome, New York. They didn't just blast something open. Oh, nice. This is the black button for the gas tank. Because the bike comes with a chrome button, and you can't really use the, well, I couldn't powder coat it. I sent it out for powder coat, and it didn't even come back. I think it probably melted because there's a piece of plastic right here. Probably when they put it in the oven, the thing probably just annihilated itself. that's cool. I didn't expect it to live, but I figured I'd send it. And if it lived, cool. If it didn't, no big deal. It was like 25 bucks for this thing. So, not the end of the world. I'm stoked on that. Let's see. Got some other little tasty ones here. Close up the cleaver there. We'll bring out, ooh, Spyderco Endura full charade. I got this at Grant Boys when they were closing. Costa Mesa, free locals, Grant Boys. That was a cool shop. The building is still there. They're like not doing anything with it. I gotta look where this was from first. It's kind of fun. Moons MC. Dude, shout out to Tommy at Moons MC. Guy took care of me. These are the 1157 rear red LED moon pods. Super bright. It's got a red and another red. So the dual filament type of deal. Makes the rear of your bike way brighter, much safer. And they come with the blacked out covers as well. So I'm stoked. Thank you, Moons. Plus this ship, for me, it ships so fast. I order it one day, next day it's there. It's crazy. I don't even know how he gets it to me that fast. But Tommy always takes care of me. Super cool guy. Definitely no complaints with Moons. Actually, sitting right here, I got these are the front ones. These are the ambers. They have the white halo with the amber in the center. That's like the black cover. Pretty smoky. What else we got? Got a couple of little ones here. M40 Power Sports. I think we'll go with the fantastic everyday carry choice, Spyderco Delica. Oh, no big deal. Fork seals. Like I said, I'm rebuilding the front end. You saw, black powder coat. It's all finished up. The forks over there in the corner in pieces. With all the wonderful stock Harley-Davidson parts on the floor. Actually, I can't wait to melt, destroy, get rid of garbage front end. So these are new fork seals for that front end when it gets rebuilt. Sweet. What other knives do I got here? I think I'm gonna grab another one. Hold on. One of my absolute favorite blades. Emerson. CQC something or other. I don't know. Awesome knife. Super badass. And apparently really good at opening envelopes. Envelopes filled with, oh. I know what this is. Interesting way to ship them. Go. I got it. O-rings for transmission, primary, and oil. These were on eBay. I forget. It was like $3 or something for like 21 of these things. So that's way cheaper than the dealer. That's another good buy from Professor Foam of Tomball, Texas. So thank you, Professor Foam, for the good deals on the eBay. Always appreciated. There's something else in here, like an invoice or something. Oh, it's funky. He like cuts it open. 21 pack of twin cam oil drain plug O-rings, Harley Davidson. $3.99. Perfect. Perfect. Now I'll have plenty of O-rings for oil changes. Won't have to think about that, especially for $3. It's like cheap. blast. Oh, a big one. Box is cool. You'd think it'd be full of like nice fly racing gear or something. But probably not. This is from Western Power Sports, Fresno, California. Primary cover gasket, Cometic. Also found on the wonderful, wonderful eBay. I think this is 20 bucks or something, shipped. So cheap on there. That's why I love it. Anyways, you know what else? While we got the camera going here, why don't we walk over to the bike, take a peek ski at it. So I just have this is the new Fab 28 exhaust. I just have it mocked up. It's not all the way bolted on yet. But I've just been kind of plugging away. I put parts back on. Like I said, I just got the gasket in, so I can finally get the primary cover back on here. I'm still waiting for the forks from GP Suspension. And as soon as that comes in, there's all the old stuff. Just the tubes and the old stock pieces in there. But as soon as that stuff comes in, be able to rock and roll, get that front end back together, get the whole bike back on the road. So hope you guys liked my mail call video, a little unboxing, along with all these tasty, delicious knives. I don't know if anyone else, I mean, there's plenty of guys out there super knife crazy, but who knows if they're watching this thing. Thanks for checking out the video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want more, give me a subscribe, drop a comment below. Thanks a lot. Peace.